Come here, check this out. Let's fix the light. So Neewer has been making a name for themselves in the lighting space, especially for creators on a budget. But just because it's affordable does not mean it's cheap. Today, we're using the CB100C and we're gonna see how it holds up. I can say that I've had this light for about 6 or 7 months now, and I have low-key a biased opinion. So obviously I believe in this light. I use this light in my content creation studio business that I'm sitting in right now. It's been great, but we're gonna get into the details further along in the video. All right, let's talk about specs. So the Neewer CB100C, they really need some better names for these lights, because damn. But anyway, it's a 130 watt RGB LED light. And what that pretty much means, it has a lot of power behind it, and it can pretty much do any job that you want to do, from changing the mood, colors, temperature, everything. This thing can put out a full spectrum of colors. They can really help you set the mood and also help you with creative backgrounds or lighting setups like the one you see right now. So you can dial in color temperature all the way down to 125 or 127, all the way up to 6,500 Kelvins. So this definitely helps you change the mood or the temperature or adjust whatever set you're looking for. And for right now, I'm gonna kick it back to 5,500. It's like where I like to shoot at. But yeah, that's the color temperature I pretty much prefer when I'm shooting these videos indoors. All right, now let's talk performance. So the 130 watt output is very solid, I would say. If you're doing a YouTube video like this, doing a podcast, photo shoot, pretty much anything, production, small interview, this thing is a powerhouse and they get the job done. This thing can light up a whole room. It's crazy. So definitely in regards to performance, it's definitely a high quality light, and definitely recommend to anybody that's trying to use it for anything. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. All right, another cool feature are the built-in effects. So it has a ton of presets in the light itself, where you can do like strobe lights, police lights, thunder, a whole slew of things you can see on the screen here. You can do so many things that can help with your light work for video creation, photography, of course, pretty much everything. It just does it all. It has the temperature lights, it has the RGB, and it also has the different effects. I don't even know what else you'll want in the light, but I love this light so much, that's why I got 4 of them. All right, wait. I also forgot to add the app. The app is solid. You can pretty much do everything from the light on the app, and it's very easy to do. The app is here, and you can change the colors, RGB, and do everything I just said off from the app instead of trying to figure out how to work the actual light from the back. It's very user-friendly. Love the app. All right, you may ask, what's the catch? Honestly, I have no complaints, to be honest with you. Like I said before, it does everything. You know, the only thing is it's made out of plastic, so it might not feel as durable as like a metal body, but it's lightweight. And if you're gonna have it like on a C-stand or anything, you know, you're good to go. And so no complaints on this light at all. So who is this light for? So if you're a content creator, streamer, videographer, photographer, and you need an affordable RGB light, I would definitely say the Neewer CB100C should definitely be on your radar. So it has power, flexibility, and a ton of creative options already built into the light, all without breaking the bank. I think right now it's about $197 right now in Amazon. I got the link in the description below. But for example, like these top lights I got in the studio, they're Gemini lights, and though they're kind of like light panels, they're like $3,000 per light. So, and they help light the site, but as you can see, I have the site lit up with just the Neewer lights now. So definitely something to look into. All right, to wrap up, and I'm gonna see if I can say all this in one go. The Neewer CB100C 130 watt RGB LED light, see, you got it, punches way above the price tag. It's bright, versatile, and also easy to use. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly light that pretty much doesn't compromise on the quality or the features, I definitely think this light will be the one for you. So what do y'all think? Have you used this light before or considering it for a future project? let me know down in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, people, thanks for watching. Peace.